Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about check constraint. Just a minute. Check constraint. Okay, we have used check constraint before this also, but why we use this? Okay, so if you want a specific criteria or specific requirement that we want to insert when we insert a record in inside database, that uh, that we can use a check constraint to validate data. Okay, it this check constraint uses a boolean expression that our criteria our requirement is satisfied or not every time when inserting record or updating record. Okay, let's see it with the help of example. Suppose create a table. Organizer, create table organizer. Inside this, suppose organizer ID, uh, organizer's first name. Okay, first name. After that, suppose last name also, and okay, name. For OID, we can use serial data type, primary key. App name, we can use varchar to. Last name varchar 50. Suppose if you want, let's add birth date of organizer. Birth date of organizer. Data type must be let's say date, and we can use a default current date also. Okay, suppose check, here we have to use check constraint, so we will not use check a default constraint, because sometimes it not insert a default value when it not satisfy check constraint. Okay, let's use first check constraint. Don't make it complex. Check that birth date that I have created here, birth date should be greater than 1990. Suppose 0101. Organizer's birth date should be greater than 1990. Okay, and let's add another column here. Suppose join date of organizer. Join date, suppose date data type with again check constraint that the joining date, we know that someone not join the some organization before its birth, because he need to first because every, because there is no possibility. Okay, let's here we can use this birth date column in check constraint also. Let's see, birth date must be that, or first we can check join date that this column, same column, must be greater than birth date. Okay, join date is greater than birth date, means after birth he can join our organization, not before that. Okay, and if you want another column, suppose salary of organizer in organization, salary, suppose numeric with decimal value, with decimal places. Check salary must be greater than suppose salary must be greater than suppose 5,000, not less than that, or you can say 0 also. Okay, let's create the table. Yes, oh, comma. Yes, table created successfully. Okay, let's see the record. Select star um, from organizer. Yes, oh, organizer ID, first name, last name, birth date, join date, salary. Okay, let's insert some values in it. Insert insert into, not looks for this, insert into organizer. Suppose F name, L name, birth date, uh, and join date and salary. Well, let's suppose Prathamesh and birth date 21 1998, month 03, day 21, and the joining date suppose is 2020 06 and the salary is suppose 50,000. Okay, let's see the value by inserting. Yes, Prathamesh Sunday 19 birth date, join date and numeric. Okay, let's highlight a check constant. Suppose 1990 1989, 1 year before. It says that violet. Yes, violet check constant organizer birth date check. Here you can see that the check constant in organizer. Here the constraint name is, there are too many constraint, table name, column name and check. This is the this is by default naming convention of PostgreSQL CHECK. Table name is organizer birth date. After that check constraint only on salary column. There are three check constraint here, but we define here yes, three. Okay, this is for join date. Okay, it highlight organizer birth date check. This highlight this constraint. Okay, if I right click on this and properties, you can see that organizer and definition birth date should be greater than 1998 colon date. Yes, that's it. Suppose let's highlight 1990. Let's highlight this constraint 1998. 1980 suppose. Before birth, he can join the company. Can he join the company? No, he can't. Let's see. Yes, so highlight organizer check constraint. So 2020 is good for this. And salary suppose minus 50. Let's check. We to highlight this constraint also. Salary should be greater than 0. Not 0 also. You can see that. Strictly greater than 0. 1. If I make it here 1, then it will be inserted. Just enter. Yes. That's it. 1 and 6. Here you can see that we have inserted trying 6 times so that it increases at every time. Up to 6 now it becomes 6. Okay, let's see. Um, that's all about check constraint. Thank you.